Hi, my name's Marcus and this is Chris. We started KiteNest a few years ago, and KiteNest is all about creating amazing natural cosmetics which are sustainable, ethically sourced and don't compromise on quality. Our ever-expanding range of products are 100% natural, cruelty-free, paraben and palm oil-free, whilst using only ethical and sustainably sourced ingredients and suppliers. One of the biggest challenges has been to find biodegradable natural packaging, and we've done it with all of our products apart from our Organic Dry Shampoo, where we're left with this, the plastic cap. But we want to ditch this cap and replace it with this, which is a plastic-free, natural, biodegradable alternative.
It takes 450 years for a plastic bottle to decompose. So if you were to accidentally drop one, it would still be there in the year 2400. Furthermore, most plastics aren't biodegradable, so that's one of the main reasons why we're trying to take plastic away from all of our packaging and become a totally plastic-free business.
To go plastic-free, we need to order a minimum of 15,000 of these new lids, and that's where you come in. So as an individual or as a store that wishes to stock our products, you can pledge for some amazing rewards. For example, you could pre-order one of our Organic Dry Shampoos without the plastic lid right now, and as soon as we reach our goal, we'll send it straight out to you. As part of our campaign, we're offering a whole host of exclusive rewards, including our new plastic-free Organic Dry Shampoo, discount codes from Plastic Freedom, limited edition packaging, wholesale packages, zero waste shampoo bars, KiteNest gift vouchers, collections of our products, and a whole load more. The more you pledge, the bigger the difference we can make. We need £7,000 to go completely plastic free, and getting to 8,000 would help us to reformulate our lip balms and hair wax and become a vegan company.
Every month, 10,000 mammals and 100,000 birds are killed by plastic pollution on UK beaches. And that's why we want your help to make us go totally plastic free. So you've heard all about our campaign. Now, it's not just for us, it's for our future and kids like these. Thanks for listening.